Alrighty, so let's talk a little bit about the next steps after prospecting, right? So we just found all these exciting new people to reach out to, right? I think the next logical step for us is going to be how do we reach out to them? What does that look like? So let's get into sequencing a little bit. So you can see here, and I have another section specifically on sequencing, right? But I just want to run you guys through what that action looks like. So we have all of these different sequences of outreach, right, for different strategies and different initiatives, right? But let's talk about how we get people into there. So I'm going to very simply come over to my saved section. I'm going to look then for, hey, show me people with verified emails, right? And here's the user managed that I was telling you about before. Verified emails that we have no activity with, or email sent equals no, right? Okay, so 969 people. So let's say that I have all these people and I want to just take 50 of them, right? And I want to add a new sequence. So it's 50. Now, the key here that I want to just point out is you have to be very diligent when you're looking at this part's easy, right? The sequence. So it's the whatever sequence you're going to be using here, we can just say testing, right? But I want you guys to get in the pattern of understanding the flip of the emails, right? That's what I call it. So you're going to have a email limit on each seat, which I think we would have covered by now. But you don't want to send out 100 emails from marketannie.com. You want to send out 50 from there and 50 from here, right? So you're just going to select your 50. You just got to make sure you come in here, you hit this drop down, you select the right email seat, and then you're good to go. But if you don't do this and only send from one and you have two set up on the email seat side, you're going to crush your deliverability. So this is a short section, but a really, really critical one. Thank you very much.